What's up there guys, it's Modern Lifestyle, and today I'm going to be showing you why your Nitro RC car will not start. There's a couple different things that could be wrong with it, but we'll just go over with a couple basic ones. We're not going to get into too much detail because there could be a lot wrong. But number one, obviously, maybe not obvious, sometimes I even forget this, but put gas in your vehicle, in your car, and make sure if your car has been sitting like mine has for a while, take this gas tank out, rinse it out, get it all clean, because if you leave gas in there for too long and you look at it, it's disgusting. There's little like dots of crap in it, and you do not want that in your motor. But that's a different topic. So check for gas. And another one is, once you're full on gas and you haven't primed your car, priming it, I think it's called priming or something, but basically you put your hand on the muffler like that, and you pull on the pull start a couple times, and that feeds the gas to your engine, and that'll help it run. So third one would be a glow plug. So if you don't know what your glow plug is, it's the little thing in the bottom of your engine. And your car should have came with a tool like this, something similar. Maybe it came with something like this, something smaller. Not really sure. But basically, you go down in here, take it out. This is the check if you have a broken glow plug. I think these are like $5, maybe. I forgot, I haven't drove this car forever. I finally took it out the other day. It's been in a box because I moved a couple years back, and it's still been in a box. But to know if it is your glow plug, get your glow plug starter. I think that's what it's called, whatever you want to call it. But it's this little thing that helps it start. And what you want to do is pull this back like that until it exposes that. Do that. Make sure you don't burn yourself while doing this, but you want to go like that, and if it doesn't light up orange, that means it's broken, and mine is broken. Actually, it can mean two things. It could either mean the glow plug is broken or the glow plug starter is broken. But if you just got your car and you're wondering how to start it, it's probably, well, it might be the glow plug. Sometimes they come out with faulty ones just in your car already. But or you just haven't charged this enough. You want to charge that up. I think the recommended is like 3 to 4 hours or something. But I only usually charge mine for like 45 minutes. That gets me going for just a day at the track, basically. And that should be good. That's basically it. The only other thing I could think of is if, oh crap, I didn't put that in right. There we go. Maybe. Alright, anyways, the only other thing I could think of is if your air filter is extremely dirty, you can't get any air at all. That could be another one, but that's most likely not, because mine's dirty, still runs. But, yeah. Or you just need new batteries in your controller. Make sure your controller is on. And, yeah, so that's basically it. Thanks for watching, guys. That's the basics. If you want to know more, just let me know. Oh, also, if I could find my controller here, there's some sort of thing called throttle trim, and if it's all the way on brake, it will not start, because that means, well, it might, but I highly doubt it. It needs a little bit of throttle to start it up, maybe. I don't know, that might be wrong, but I think so. But that's basically it, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope this helped. If you want more videos like this, please like this one, and I'll see you guys next time.